front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Sound at the top left corner and click on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on Vibrate at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll, click on Call Vibration, and apply one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls. Select Silent to disable them, and adjust intensity of call vibrations thanks to this slider. Go back, hit Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back one more time, click on System Vibration here, misclick, and tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Adjust intensity of system vibrations thanks to this slider. Last but not least, hit Vibration Intensity and manage all of those sliders to adjust vibrations for incoming calls, notifications, system and media in one place. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!